here's a cool prepper trick. Making fire with a broken automotive headlight. You can do this with most headlights. This one's had a hole drilled in the back so I can poke the stick through. And I removed the front cover so that I can get better sunlight on the stick. This is a really cool method of getting a really good ember. And if you've ever done primitive fire before, you realize that getting the ember's the hard part, not necessarily the bird's nest and blowing it into a flame. Once you got the ember, it's pretty easy. So this is just a cool way to do that. I thought I'd share that, and hopefully you guys like it. Also, it's my first shot at hashtag shorts, so there we go. Have fun. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. There you go. Fire. Fire's hot. It worked. It freaking worked.